Dear students, today we will solve one question from quadratic equation. So, the question is find the range of a for which all the roots of the equation a minus 1 into 1 plus x square whole square is equals to a plus 1 into 1 plus x square plus x power 4 are imaginary. So, this is the question. So, to solve this question, the question is what? We need to find the values of the parameter a for which this equation has imaginary roots. That is the question. So, for that one, what we do is, the given equation is a minus 1 into 1 plus, we write this as x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equals to a plus 1 into x power 4 plus x square plus 1. So, this is the given equation. So, now what we do is, so we will factorize this x power 4 plus x square plus 1. So, how to factorize it? So, this implies this is a minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to a plus 1 into, to factorize this one, what you do is, this is x power 4, this x square can be written as 2x square minus x square plus 1 as it is. In next step, what we do is, we rearrange the terms. So, you write x square minus 2x square plus 1 as one term, that is, you write like this, a minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to a plus 1 into, so you club these three terms, that is x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus of x square, like that you write. So, this minus this. So, now this is of the form what? A square minus b square. So, before that one, no, sorry. So, what you do is, this is first a minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equals to a plus 1 into, now it is a perfect square actually. So, this is x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. Now, this can be written as what? In a plus b into a minus b form. So, that is, this is a minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equals to a plus 1 into, this is a plus b into a minus b, x square plus 1 minus x, sorry, plus x here, a plus b into a minus b, x square plus 1 plus x into x square plus 1 minus x. Now, what we do is, here this x square plus x plus 1, here x square plus x plus 1 is there. So, do not cancel directly, blindly do not cancel. You can cancel the variable which are in multiplication only when that variable is non-zero. So, that is, this is a quadratic. So, the quadratic represents a parabola, it is a open upward parabola. Now, you calculate the discriminant of this one is negative. Discriminant is what? Negative. Discriminant is negative and open upward parabola. Therefore, the diagram will be like this. The x axis completely, the parabola is open upward completely above the x axis. Means for all real values it is positive. That is, what is the sign of this quadratic? X square plus x plus 1. This is always positive. Now, you can cancel, it is non-zero number. Now, you can cancel x square plus x plus 1 one time both sides. Then you left with what? A minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equals to a plus 1 into x square plus 1 minus x. Now, what you do is, now open the bracket, that is a minus 1 into x square plus a minus 1 into x plus a minus 1 is equals to a plus 1 into x square plus a plus 1 minus of a plus 1 into x. Now you take out this total terms left hand side, then it becomes what? A minus 1 minus a minus 1 into x square plus a minus 1 minus a minus 1 minus of minus plus a plus 1 into x plus a minus 1 minus a minus 1 equal to 0. Now this implies here minus a plus a cancel, minus 2x square, here minus 1 plus 1 cancel, plus 2ax, here minus a plus a cancel, minus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies minus 2 take out common and cancel out, then you left with what? X square minus ax plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 is equal to 0. So, and in question it is given that this equation has imaginary roots, therefore x is imaginary number. So here the roots of this quadratic are imaginary because x is imaginary number. In question it is given, therefore x is imaginary number means discriminant of this quadratic is less than 0. Therefore discriminant is what? A square, b square minus 4ac, a square minus 4 is what? Less than 0. This implies